face, I don't recognize.
Alis kay mama.
Show me the phone. I wanna see.
Kain tayo guys. Since tapos na silang kumain, ako naman yung kakain. So, ito yung akin. What are you doing, Holly? What's that? No, come here. Put it here. Kumain din siya ng banana. What are you gonna do? You're eating banana. Init ako. Mainit pa siya. Nag-init ako yung tira kong inon-on kagabi. Bo! Kumakain siya ng banana. Yan yung ating tortang talong.
What's that?
Tortang talong. And with eggs, yeah. Update dun sa kanidad. Kaya pala hindi makontak ni Jang kanina sila. And si Mel. Kasi si Mel pala nasa dentist. Kaya hindi niya makontak. Okay, sit down please. Sit down.
Can I
Nasa dentist.
that?
Nasa dentist si
I
Mel.
want eggs.
What do you want?
Eggs.
Pray first.
In the name of Father,
The Son. Wait.
name of Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Father,
Amen.
Amen. Father Jesus, take Mom food.
Thank you, Mommy's food. Kasi kay Maming food to. So, yun nga. Nag-send ng picture si Dad kay Jan. What do you want? Kung ano ba yung damage ng car. Tapos, ano guys, natanggal yung ano talaga, yung side mirror. As in, wasak yun. Tapos yung gilid. Dun sa may, ano ba, parang may bumper sa gilid. Yun, na-scratch din yun. As in. Kaya, si Jan nga na-disappoint din kasi sobrang bago, diba? Ilang araw pa lang, wala pa nga yun 1 week. And ang masaklap, tinakbuhan si Dad. So kaya, hindi pa namin alam. Bukas siguro tatawagan ulit ni Jan kasi pupunta yun sa pulis. Pupunta sila sa pulis para tingnan yung CCTV. Ang nakabangga raw kay Dad kasi may si Dad nasa isang line. Tapos may isang sumingit, parang may gutter daw doon. May sumingit. So parang umurong si Dad. Tapos yung pag-urong niyang konti, yung truck naman ang sumalpok kay Dad. Kaya sabi ni Jan, ano daw, malas-malas. What?
There's a hole here.
Pero the good thing is, okay si Ma'am tsaka si Dad, hindi sila na ano, yung car lang talaga. Pero yung car kasi na brand new yun guys, as in, brand new. Yeah. Kain tayo muna guys.
There's a hole right now.
Ang sarap ng tortang talong.
More please.
Diba? Ang dami niya nang kinain kanina. Kumain pa siya ng banana. Linapag niya na kasi kakain na siya ng rice. Tingnan nyo, malaki itong banana. Yan yung nakain niya. Kalahati. Kasi nakita niya ako kumakain.
Here, put it on the tissue.
Kaya ayan. Nakababa ako.
Oh my.
You're still hungry? Kayo na talaga. Anong meron sa... Anong meron sa tiyan nyo? Si Kuya, ayun, kumakain din sila.
Kuya's not still hungry. I'm full.
Kain muna kami, girl. Are you full? Kain muna ako. And, malapit ko na matapos yung Gracious Revenge. Maganda rin siya. Kanina, at saka kagabi, iyak ako ng iyak. Tumutulo lang talaga yung luha ko. And si Sak lumapit din.
Just the same as the other.
You like it?
Different color, yeah.
Sabi niya, the same eggs daw, pero different color. Hindi niya na may eggplant. Ito yung pinapanood ko, guys. So, andito na po siya. Humihingi siya ng more eggs with rice. Yan. Kung na lang yung natira sa tortang talong. And naubos ko rin yung ininit kong isda. Naiiyak rin ako sa Korea.
What is that?
No, because of the drama.
What?
Let's close the vlog. This one, naiiyak. So, what did you say? Sorry. Matutulog na sila, guys. Tingnan nyo. Dami ko ng tissue dito. Wait! Ay, kuya, let's close the vlog!
drink of orange.
Ito, oh, guys, ang ganda nito.
What the bag is so I can show you. Mom.
Oh, pakita rin ni Kuya yung gawa niya, guys. Oh, ayan. Ang ganda, di ba? Where's the sun, Kuya? Ayan, yung sun. Nasa
It's a mountain.
No, this one, the side one.
Oh, yeah.
So, si Sky Sak daw better. Both are good, Kuya Sak. Hurry up! Hindi ako sa vlog. Nawawala na yung kanya. Ang dami naman kasi. Come on. Let me see. Oh.
Then turn around. Turn around.
Wait. Ito raw kay Sak. Much better daw yung kanya. Yung mountain niya, nasa likod. Wala, hindi ba yan yung mountain ko? Ayan yung kay Sak.
Turn it around.
Oh, kay Holly. Ito kay...
Turn it around.
Okay, ito kay Holly. And, ayan, sa likod. O, diba? Ah, ganito. Okay, let's close the vlog naman.
Okay, please like, please subscribe, comment, join next vlog.
Bye! Good night, guys. Thank you. Bye! Be safe!
Be safe.
Bye. May 22, dinner ni Kuya. Request, di ba kagabi hindi siya kumain? Kasi, ito yung ulam namin kagabi, corned beef. So, ito yung leftover kay Janto. And meron pa kaming cauliflower. Ayan, si Kuya nakaligo na sila.
Shower, I smelled spam.
You smell spam. So, request niya to. So, ito yung dinner namin. So, yun lang, guys. Ayan yung rice ni Kuya, oh. Siya yung nagpipili ng kanyang spam. Ito kay Holly. Give one for Holly, please.
One.
Yes, thank you. And how about you, Zach? 2 for Zach. Thank you.
A tea.
Here you go. Welcome.
Mom, they look a bit like a big fat bandages.
Band-aid.
And thank you.
You're welcome. Good evening, guys. Today is, what date today, Kuya?
The 25th of Monday.
May 25th. And it's Monday. Ilang araw din ako hindi nag-vlog. And hindi na ako mag-vlog. Kasi wala naman kaming ganap. May pasok yung mga bata. And pagkataon lang sa inyo yung aming dinner tonight. Mag-schnitzel kami. Beef schnitzel. And kaya hindi ako nakakapag-vlog kasi nag-film din kasi ako sa Chona's Kitchen. So, yun. May upload ako sa Chona's Kitchen, guys. So, nagpapakulo lang ako ng potatoes for mashed potato. Dalawang malaking schnitzels. Ayan. So, yun lang, guys, yung ganap namin tonight. Si Jan, busy siya sa farm. Dito na.
Later and I'll put some stuff on it.
Are we gonna go to the farm later?
Yeah, you take it off.
Take my car? Dito na siya, guys. Show your...
Stay there and keep it going a little bit.
Sinindihan niya na kasi yung mga kahoy na pinutol. And, ayan, show me your fingers, your hands. Han, show me.
Mom,
Oh, yeah.
that's what I had when I was at the farm. That's what I had.
Hi, Holly.
Pumunta rin kasi sila sa farm.
I put my finger when the cows drink the water.
Okay.
It was pretty
Come
gross.
here.
Hug daddy, Papa!
Still on my toes.
And ito yung ginamit ko sa Chona's Kitchen nung nagluto ako. So, ilalagay ko lang ulit siya sa kani-kanilang lalagyan. Yung isa nalagay ko. Kausap ko si Papa and gumagawa na ako ng sauce para sa schnitzel and si Kuya. 8 cups. Pinakuha ko si Kuya ng rice. Nasa nasa kwarto ni Holly yung sako ng bigas. So, eto, linalagay ko na yung sauce and merong simit. Ano ba ang simit sa Tagalog? How is it, Zaki boy?
Good.
Good? So, ayan. Hindi pa yan tapos, guys. Tawag ni Sax yung mga kapatid niya and ayan na. Hindi ko pa ito nailalagay, oh. Isa na lang, yung dalawa na ilagay ko na. Hoy, wait for your tea. Ma! Ha? Gusto niya ng cheese.
Mom, you're gonna have to put it into your new thing.
No, maybe na microwave, Baba. Sabi ko, ilagay ko daw sa oven, yung bagong oven ko. Sabi ko, wait for your tea so you can eat.
With my tea, I'm gonna have this.
Just half. Just half, because you're gonna have tea. You can have tea. Si Holly nag-ask kung pwedeng lagyan ng sauce yung kanyang cheese. Yung naririnig nyo guys, dun yun sa bahay nila mama maingay. Wait baba, eto na yung kay Jan. Dapat yung cheese dapat sobrang melt. Kasi si Jan sobrang gutom niya na. Ayan. Oh.
That's what you get.
Ayan, kasi napasok si Zach kasi kalalabas lang nito sa microwave. Kumuha siya. Habi si Zach. You wait for your tea. Ito na yung sa kanila. Lalagyan ko lang ng peas and hahatiin ko to. Ikakat ko. Ito yung kay Kuya. Rice and naubos niya na yung sauce do. You're welcome. And ito kay Holly. Baba ah. Anong sasabi? Anong sasabi? Anong sasabi?
I have rice.
Yeah, rice. Where's your spoon?
You feed on my spoon.
Ah, okay. So, kain na muna sila. Ako hindi pa ako kakain kasi uminom ako nito, yung up and go. So, parang medyo nabusog ako. And then, oatmeal din ako kanina. Kaya sa... And yung akin, eto, oh. Ayan. Mamaya na yan. And, kausap ko pa rin sila mama at papa. So, alis ulit si Jan. Tapos na siyang kumain. Punta ulit siya sa farm kasi yung mga kahoy, diba? Ano ba yun? Ano ba tawag yun? Sinindahan niya. So, titingnan niya. Tapos, sila after nilang kumain, susunod kami. Okay, I'll see you. Yes, okay. May maling ginawa si Zachary. Punta kami sa farm, guys. Kaso si Zach, pumasok siya. Suot niya yung boots niya na ginamit niya sa farm kanina. Ayan. Nagmap pa lang ako nung ano. When was that, Kuya? Saturday, right?
Sunday.
Sunday? I mapped the floor.
What? Yeah, Saturday.
Saturday.
Mom,
What did you do?
What? I peed in the He peed in the bonfire and then made the bonfire go out.
Oh.
Dad said it's okay.
Alright. You're not bringing Mushi. She's gonna be dirty, Baba.
And we throw sticks in the fire.
Oh, put your boots out. Sinuot niya rin yan sa farm kanina. Sinama siya ng daddy niya. Pinalinis ko sa kanila. And punta kami after nila malinis to. Yeah, hindi pa rin ako kumakain and ayan, nag-e-edit ako. Tinatapos ko, malapit na kasi ito matapos. And ayan, kausap ko pa rin yung aking parents. Madilim dun sa farm, so dala ko to. Bring this, Kuya.
Are you gonna hold it into the bonfire?
Yeah. Isama natin si Mother. Mamaya na to.
I'll put this in the front seat.
Yeah, okay. Punta na kami sa farm. I don't need boots.
Yeah, because I'm stepping in the mud. There's poo there.
I'm just gonna wear my sneakers. Lagay ko muna yung pagkain ko dito sa microwave. Sama natin si Mother. Ready?
Mom, there's a fly there.
Where?
In that light.
Inside. It's alright. Okay, ready?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm ready. I'm always ready.
You're always ready. Okay, let's go.
Oh,
Nakalimutan ko.
Get that in the bag.
Nasa ibabaw yan ng car.
Sick, so sick.
Nilipad siya. Sa car yan ni Dad. Okay?
Whoa.
Dilim dito, guys. Dito na tayo sa farm. Yan ang dilim. Andun si Gano. Hindi nyo makita. Wala na yung mga puno dyan sa gilid. And ang mga... Ayan, si Jan. Ano natin yung ating...
I'm really looking up the area.
Good. I-on natin yung ating...
Get out.
Tingnan natin kung liliwanag. Yan, lumiwanag siya. Car off? Paano natin makikita? Where is... Okay, wait! Ayun, bubuhusan niya ng gas. Bye-bye! Stay away! Stay away! Halat lang. Kuya! Kuya! Si Mama. Dalhin din natin si Mama. Di balat ko kayo dinala dito. Wait! Kuya, can you hold my phone, please? Kuya, hold my phone. So, Papa can see it as well. Dito kami sa farm pa. Wait. We're gonna show it to Pa. Wait, alis dyan, Holly. Hold this one, Alis dyan. Careful, honey, ha?
Guys!
Alis dyan, Holly. Socks! Here. Oh.
That
Ayan.
mom here.
Where's Pa?
There's a bed to snap. I
Ano?
want to go throw a stick.
What?
I'm going to throw a stick in there.
No, you don't have to. Hold Papa, nako. Hold Papa, Holly. Hold Papa.
Don't drop the phone like you always do. Big one. Yeah!
Oh, alis na dyan, Sak.
I'll buy it.
Ayun.
Oh!
Okay, show that, Papa. Papa, oh, hold that like this, so you can see Papa. Show it to Papa. Don't cover the camera. Ayan.
Oh my face.
Ayan siya. Pinapakita niya sa lolo niya. Don't press, no, don't press. No, don't press. Itong dalawa, ayaw umalis. Kuya, come on here. Sak. Ano, it's nice.
Please, Mom.
Stay there. What's the halahan?
Ah,
Puno, ano, basang-basa na yung car niya. Holly, Sakari, TJ, can you please stay here or we're going home? Oh, stay here. Ah, ayan, oh. Papa. Bryce.
How are you, Chona?
Go, look at this. Look how massive is this. Tingnan nyo yung ugat, guys, oh. Diba, ayan kaya, oh. Diba?
start getting into this sort of broth.
Well, alis kayo, not too close.
I
Ano,
can
ano.
see it.
Matagal to maubos.
One take off.
Ayan si Holly. Are you talking to Papa, Papa?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I get a fire?
No, you cannot get the fire.
Yeah, I can. He did it.
Don't.
The stick. That.
Careful, Sako. Daddy is coming. Alis dyan, alis dyan.
Come back. Stay back, guys.
Ah, okay. Ako pala.
Stop, we get back.
That's right, Zach. Oh. Di ba ang laki ng ugat, oh. Zachary, alis dyan. TJ, alis dyan because Daddy is putting gas.
It's not gas.
What is it?
Diesel.
Hindi sila natatakot.
Turn around, warm back up.
Keep it warm.
There's 5 ladies there.
Come on, chicken.
Where are you going, huh?
shit.
You stayed. Where are you going? Why? Is it going now?
Yeah, I've had enough of Bonfire.
Okay, thank you.
No worries.
Tinulungan niya si Jan. Magsindi nito kanina. Kaninang umaga pa to. What time did you?
8:30.
8:30 in the morning?
Yep.
Wow, 8:30 in the morning. Parang walang nagagalaw. Like nothing happening.
No.
There's another bonfire.
Oh, well, he might be able to get that one going tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Stay there. We on Sunbung Cow? Is that what you call it, John?
What was it?
Sunbung Cow?
What's sambang call?
Sambandilo.
Oh, that's
Sambandila.
you. News.
New
Newsflash.
Sambandila. Alis kayong dalawa dyan. Sorry, dyan. Alis dyan. Alis. I'm not gonna let you come here with your dad because you don't listen. Na.
We always do it.
See ya. Say see you to Bryce. See ya. Is Papa still there? What you been touching?
We're touching nothing. No, she has been touching.
Oh! Yeah, well, I might need it, bro.
Alis dyan, TJ. Will you please listen?
I'm getting sick. Put it around the side. Do it
Libot
there.
tayo.
Again. Again. Hang on. It's going.
It's going now, Han. Yeah, look. Diba? Laking tulong tong pailaw ko eh.
Need to get warm.
Yeah, keep warm
Alright,
there.
take that.
Kuya, alis dyan, kuya.
Made on the scale.
Yan yung
Again.
mga malalaking ugat.
Again. Again. Now get warm.
Ang lamig nga. Pero tingnan nyo sila, naka-shorts, naka-t-shirt. Kuya. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kalamig dito, guys. Tingnan nyo yung aking hininga. Tingnan nyo yung hininga. Ha?
Did you get old too?
Are you still talking to Papa?
Yeah.
Okay.
No more. It's got more.
That's it.
It's alright.
Can I pull it?
Yeah, okay. Not too close, just stay there.
It's all finished.
Yeah. What? Finish what?
The gas.
How many gallons did you
2.
use, Han?
40 lines.
4?
40 lines.
40?
Yeah.
40 liters? I think so.
Let's have that lizard.
Where's the lizard? Ay! Is that for real? Oh, yeah.
Can I
Dead.
Dead. Oh, young guy.
Where?
What you gonna do with that one? Let me see, Han. Let me see. Wait.
Where'd you find that?
Hold it, Zach. I cannot see it, Han.
No way.
Why? Ayan, yung lizard, guys. So, it's like a skin only.
Yeah, it's dead.
It's dead. Ayun na, tinapon na. Ah. Where did you find it?
In the tire.
In the tire.
Yeah.
Hey, I got a grenade.
Nagtapon niya si Papa.
Show it
Poor
in.
Papa.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw it fire.
Ang dami niyang nakonsumong gas. Is that diesel, Han?
Dad,
Show Lola the fire. Wow, that's the... Nagsusunog kami dito na... Ayan yung pinsan niya, oh. Pinsan nila, si Sandro. Say hi, Baba.
Hi.
Hi, Sandro. Say hi.
Hi. Now where's
Don't touch it, Nak.
it?
And left, right.
That's it.
Look at that fire like this one.
Tinatanong. Nagsusunog dito, Nak, ng mga kahoy. Yeah. It's just... I'm not gonna let them come next time with you, Han. Nah.
What?
Because you don't listen. Ayan, yung mga branches kasi hindi pa nahuhulog. As in, ang tibay niya pa.
From the big one.
Ayan.
From the big tree. No, mine. That
Ang
was
ano
mine.
nito, ang lawak pa nito, guys. As in, doon pa siya sa ang dami pa doon. Tingnan natin. Takot ako kasi baka may ahas.
Mom, if you
Wait, ayan dito. Ang laki din nito. Parang wala pa dito. Ha? Careful, kuya. Stay here, please.
you get
Yes, stay. See?
you get warm.
You almost hit your eyes with that one.
Okay, just stay. Walk.
That's right. Don't walk closer there, kuya.
Car's not standing. No.
That's right. Kasi syempre hindi na yan matibay kasi nga sunog na yung doon. So ayan oh, ang laki dito oh. Ito green pa oh.
Take on fire.
Pine trees kasi to eh. This is pine trees, right ha? Ayan oh, wala pa. Oh, andoon pa oh. Holly, watch Holly honey ha. Ayan. O diba? Sa harapan pa lang yun. Dito wala pa. Ayan, konti. Pero wala nang apoy. So, ayan. Uy, ang lamig. Balik tayo doon sa may apoy. Magsahin.
That was a noise.
Is Sandra still there, Holly?
Yeah.
Kuya Sandro? Okay.
Oh.
Can I have showers?
Come on, let's go. Ayaw pa nilang umuwi. May pasok sila bukas.
Well, you have to.
Come on. Not much fire anyway, kuya. Come on, Baba.
Fire.
Okay, let's go. See? No more, hon.
Oh, I should get some more.
Huh? More petrol?
Yeah, I was.
No,
Diesel?
you're not staying. You got school.
Are you gonna get now?
Oh, later. I'll let that burn for a bit.
Ah, bibili ulit siya ng diesel. Kasi wala na, oh. 4 gallons, right, hon?
40.
40 liters. Oh, 40 liters.
Go to the mom. Mom.
Come on. It's alright. Let's go now. Let's go now. It's dark na. Pag wala to, guys, tingnan nyo. Ang dilim, oh. Tingnan nyo. Oh, di ba? Ang dilim. That's right. Let's go.
No. Oh.
Come on. Come on, because you're gonna have a shower. I'm gonna eat my tea and I'm gonna finish my...
Bobby.
Come on. Okay, go to Dad's car. Come on, Holly, let's go. Ay. Come on.
Bye-bye.
We're going.
We are going. Come on. Mommy's hungry.
Dad, we're in your car.
Just hurry up.
Can I be in front? Can I be in front? No!
So are you gonna...
Yeah,
Put-
fine.
Yan, pupunuin niya.
Come back and just keep starting it up.
Pupunuin niya yan, oh. 4 na...
I'll get it now.
Yan, na galon na yan. 40 liters. Come on, Baba, let's go. So how many you spend
What?
for the petrol?
Probably $20. So
I'm 10
120.
yeah.
120? Nakagastos na raw siya.
Friggin' burn it.
I know, $120 na raw yung nagastos niyang gas. Pero hindi pa rin, parang wala pa rin, di ba? Tingnan niyo. Oh. Makita ko sa inyo sa likod, di ba? Parang walang nangyayari doon sa likod. Okay, come on, Holly, let's go. Come on, uwi na tayo. Come on. Here, Papa.
I'm gonna go pee in fire.
Okay, see ya. Come on. Say see ya to Daddy. Say see ya to Daddy, Nak. Say see ya to Daddy.
See that?
Say bakit ka sa akin? Okay. Yeah, just put it here. Here. For now. Lilinisan ko. Good girl. Other one. Ando na yung mag-aama. Yung mga boys. Thank you. Okay. Put your seatbelt. I'll put your seatbelt. Go. Say hi, Kuya Sandro.
I can't.
Say hi, Kuya.
Hi, Chris and boy.
Okay, sit down. Tinanggal ko yung sapatos kasi sobrang putik niya. Ayan, oh. So, nakapaalang tayo. Hindi naka-medyas. Magdadrive. Si Janao na, iniwan niya talaga. O, buti na lang dala ko tong, etong pailaw. Kung hindi, ang dilim-dilim. Iniwan niya na ako. So, uwi na tayo. Okay. Bye na kami, guys.
It's really cold out there.
Yeah, very cold. Maliligo na sila. Okay. Ligo muna sila. Si Kuya at saka si
Oh.
Isaac nandun na sa, sa shower. Siya na yung next. Ayan.
What's that?
Farm. Again. Umalis ulit si Jan. Bibili siya ng ng gas. Kasi nga, parang hindi pa yun. Sabi ni Jan, maka 1 week daw yun. Bago maubos yung kahoy. Wait lang. Kakain muna ako. Guys, hindi pa lang ako kumakain. Kasi kausap ko yung kapatid ko. Yung mga bata pala, ayan, si Holly tulog na. Kuya, go to your bed. Ayan, si Holly and si Kuya, hindi yan tulog. Nagtutulog-tulugan. Si Sak andito.
That's bed now.
Hoy, go to your bed. Turn this off now. May pasok sila bukas. You have school tomorrow. So, hindi pa ako kumakain pero tapos na ako mag-edit. And, ayan yung aking thumbnail. Tapos na rin. Say good night na, guys. Good night na. Akala ko hindi ako makakapag-vlog. Nakapag-vlog din ako kahit konti. Hindi ko alam kung gano'n ito kahaba. Kasi nga, na yung mga memory nito, full na talaga, guys. So, na-edit ko na yung vlog para sa Chona's Kitchen. Kaya nagkaroon ako ng memory. Come on, good night. Okay, close the vlog.
Please like.
Thank you first. Say good night.
Good night. Thank
Say it properly. Come on.
Good night. Please like.
No, good night. Thank you. Kuya,
Good
come
night,
on.
Thank you. Please like. Please,
You have to say like this.
please like. Please subscribe if you haven't.
You have to look like Nanay.
Please like. Please subscribe.
Thank you. Hurry up.
Thank you. Please like. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on the next vlog. Bye.
Good night. Good night, guys. Bye. Sis, good night. Asan ka na? Good night. Di kita makita. Good night. Good night, guys. Thank you. Bye. Si Jan wala pa. Nandun pa rin siya sa farm. Good night. Yeah, bye. How are you? Tired? Tingnan mo dyan, andito na siya. Oh. Yeah, alas 10 na guys. Kararating niya lang. And, kausap ko yung kapatid ko. Hindi pa rin kayo tapos. Habang naghuhugas ako dito. Oh. Ayan siya.